Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lecture 3. Amazon Virtual Assistant. Requires the following tools. Lecture 3. Amazon Virtual Assistant. Requires the following tools. 1. Amazon Seller Central, the primary platform for managing Amazon seller accounts, including inventory management, order processing, and performance metrics tracking. 2. Product research tools. Tools like Jungle Scout, Helium 10, or AMZ Scout can help you find profitable products to sell on Amazon by analyzing market trends, competition, and sales data. 3. Keyword research tools. Tools like Merchant Words, Sonar, or Keyword Tool can help you find relevant keywords to optimize product listings and improve visibility on Amazon. 4. Listing optimization tools. Tools like Selix, AMZ Tracker, or Listing Eagle can help you optimize product listings by providing insights into keywords, pricing, and competitor analysis. 5. Inventory management tools. Tools like Restock Pro, Inventory Lab, or Forecastly can help you manage inventory levels, forecast demand, and automate reordering processes. 6. Amazon PPC management tools. Tools like Selix, AdBadger, or PPC Entourage can help you manage Amazon PPC campaigns to drive traffic and increase sales. 7. Feedback and review management tools. Tools like Feedback Genius, Feedback Whiz, or AMZ Finder can help you manage feedback and reviews, request feedback from customers, and monitor product reviews. 8. Customer service tools. Tools like Zendesk, Freshdesk, or Help Scout can help you manage customer inquiries, handle returns and refunds, and provide timely and efficient customer support. 9. Data analytics tools. Tools like Google Analytics, DataHawk, or Tableau can help you analyze sales data, track performance metrics, and identify trends and opportunities for improvement. 10. Project management tools. Tools like Asana, Trello, or Basecamp can help you organize and manage tasks, collaborate with team members, and track project progress. Having access to these tools can help you effectively manage various aspects of Amazon selling and provide valuable support to Amazon sellers as a virtual assistant.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.